Snohomish County real estate statistics. For those of you who aren't available to attend the whole class, we're going to do like the 30-second brainwash here of what you should and what you should get out and what we've missed. So the statistic that you should know, and this is for September 2011, right now our average price year to date for 2011 versus 2010 is down 12.3%. What that really means right now is your real estate is depreciating approximately 1% a month. Sales for the month of September of 2011 versus 2010 were up 22.9%. So here in Snohomish County we were highly active in what was going on. The market has been depreciating faster since June of 2011. What's very interesting is when we look at the year-to-date and then the month-over-month numbers, we're seeing a trend where we've been picking up velocity in a downward direction and right now ending at that 12.3 number. Next, we have our month's worth of inventory. We have 5 months worth of inventory, so basically that puts us in a seller's market. Another way to look at months of inventory, you could talk about it, there are 5 sellers for every 1 buyer. Or if no new properties came on the market today, it would take us 5 months to sell through the remaining product. Right now, the lowest level of inventory we have is in Linwood with 3.8 months. The highest level of inventory that we have is in the city of Snohomish with 7.4 months. And remember, anything that's over 6 months is putting us into a buyer's market. Prices, very interesting, are actually appreciating in that $120,000 to $170,000 price range. So if you're representing a buyer in this pool, expect to maybe have to pay above list price, or if you're representing a seller, expect that you could receive multiple offers and you may be able to price very aggressive at market or slightly above. Next, we're going to talk about our foreclosures. So right here, this is what we've been seeing for foreclosure activity here in the Snohomish County. Filings, so those are the notice of trustee sales when we compare September to the year before, actually down 61.07%. Our cancellations, those are ones where the foreclosure auction has been scheduled but it's being canceled, is down 12.4%. Our back to the bank, aka becoming an REO, and they define back to the bank as a property that does not sell at the foreclosure auction, and so it immediately reverts back to the bank. That number is also down approximately, or not approximately, it is down 23.23%. We're averaging right now about 250 properties a month in Snohomish County are reverting back to the lien holder, which will then become a bank-owned, aka REO property. What we've seen is we've seen a decrease in the auction schedule of 41.57%. It's very interesting. What that really means to a lot of us is that the banks are working hard on their short sales, on their loan modifications, on their workouts, because they're taking these off of the auction. The most interesting thing here, and that's why I've highlighted it a few times though, is even though a lot of these foreclosure indicators are down, the level of REO inventory is still growing. It's growing 27.37% for a total of 2,443 units that are aka bank-owned REO properties, not necessarily on the market, but they've reverted back to the lien holder. Hey, I hope everyone can join us next time. Please leave us your comments and thoughts, and we'll do whatever we can to help. Thanks a lot.